Hello friends, welcome to this chapter of Speed Maths by Slideshow. In this part you will learn how to multiply numbers by 5. You will learn how to multiply numbers by 5 very quickly. So let's see some examples. So we will see some random numbers and then we will try to multiply them by 5 and using a simple trick. Let's say our first number is 46 and we have to multiply 46 by 5. So what will be the answer? Now you can start multiplying these numbers by 5, but it is very easy. You have to just divide this number by 2. So if you will divide this number by 2, answer will be 23, and then you can simply add a 0 here. So this will be your answer. So 46 into 5 is equal to 230, because half of 46 is 23 and you have to just multiply 23 by 10. So we can do multiplication by 10 really quickly. We just have to add 1 0 there, right? So this is the answer. So let's take another example. Let's say what is 79 multiplied by 5. So if you will divide 79 by 2, you will quickly get 39.5, and then you can multiply it by 10. So your answer will be 395. So using this you can quickly calculate any number multiplied by 5. To divide any number by 2, there is also a trick. So suppose for odd numbers like 79, there is a simple trick of getting its half. Get half of 70, which we can get very easily. It will be 35, and then 9 is remaining. Half of 9 is 4.5, and the sum is 39.5. You have to do these calculations in your mind. So you can suppose there is a number 79.5. So do 70 by 2, 35, 9 by 2, 4.5, 35 plus 4.5 is 39.5, and then you can multiply it by 10. After some practice, you can really do every calculation in your mind. Let's take another such example. So we can take another example of, let's say, 89. Again, in case first we have to calculate 89 multiplied by 5. So first we have to calculate half of 89. So 40 and 4.5 is 44.5, and hence the answer multiplied by 10, answer will be 445. You don't have to do this calculation, you just have to do everything in your mind. So getting half of these numbers will be really easy if you will watch the chapter where we have described how to multiply numbers by 2, divide numbers by 2, divide numbers by 3, divide numbers by 4, and so on. So getting half is really easy, and by getting half and multiplying with 5, you will simply multiplying it by 10, you will simply get that particular number multiplied by 5. We can take examples with with numbers of 4 digit or 5 digit also. Let's take a random number. Let's say 6, 7, 8, 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to what? So it is really easy. What is half of 6? 3. What is half of 78? 39. What is half of 9? 4.5. So the answer is 3394.5 multiplied by 10. So just remove the decimal. So it will be 33945. Let's take another example. Let's take 5, 6, 8, 7, 5, 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to what? So now let's get the half of this. Half of 56 is 28, 8 is 4, then we are left with 754. Half of 700 is 350 and 54 is 27. So it is 2843770. This will be your multiplication. So by doing some practice, you will very easily get hold of this. Dividing by 2 is really easy. You just have to think about this. It can be really a big number. If all the digits are even, then division by 2 just becomes very easy. But if there are some odd numbers if there are some odd digits, so in that case division by 2 is a bit tricky. But again, by some practice you can calculate it very easily. So this is the division, or this is the multiply number by 5, and this is how you can easily calculate multiplication of any particular number by 5 in your mind.